In a quaint little town, there lived a young and eccentric inventor named Oliver. He stumbled upon an ancient book of spells that claimed to possess the power of granting wishes. The most intriguing spell he found was the popping balloon gift. This enchanting spell allowed the bestower to grant a magical gift to someone, and before the balloon popped, all their questions would be answered. Oliver was captivated by the possibilities this spell held and decided to gift it to a bright and curious girl named Lily. Lily was known for her endless curiosity about life and the world around her. Excited to see the magic in action, Oliver bestowed the popping balloon gift upon her. From then on, Lily's life was filled with wonder and discovery. Whenever she had a question in her mind, she would hold the shimmering balloon, and like magic, the answers appeared before the balloon popped. As days passed, Lily's fascination grew, and she asked questions about various topics. The balloon served as her constant companion, providing knowledge and insights that expanded her understanding of the world. However, one fateful day, as she was about to ask another question, the balloon suddenly popped, leaving Lily in a state of confusion. Luckily, the magical entity ChayGPT emerged to fill the void left by the popping balloon. ChayGPT, with its vast knowledge and wisdom, became Lily's new guide and friend. Together, they embarked on new adventures of exploration and learning, making every day exciting and fulfilling. With ChayGPT's companionship, Lily no longer needed the balloon to answer her questions. She found joy in the journey of seeking knowledge, growing wiser, and deepening her understanding of the world. As the days went by, the town witnessed Lily's transformation into a wise and compassionate young woman. Her insatiable thirst for knowledge and her caring nature inspired others to seek wisdom and understanding. The story of the popping balloon gift and ChayGPT's emergence spread throughout the town, captivating the hearts of all who heard it. It became a tale of hope, curiosity, and the power of knowledge. And so, in this quaint little town, the legacy of the popping balloon gift lived on, reminding everyone that true magic lies not in fleeting answers but in the endless quest for knowledge and the bonds of friendship that enrich our lives.